Hello everyone. I just want to show you this other train robot which I saw. This is the EA Smart Machine, and as you can see on the MyFX book, it looks like it's doing amazingly well. Running since April 2018, it's just gone and made over 13,000%. So it's made $380,000 from an initial 40,000, and there's 120 people tracking this, so there's a lot of people looking at this. And looking at the stats here, it's been running 2018 stats results for every month so far. Not everyone is winning, but just the majority of them are. So 2022, everything was a winner. 2021, we had one 12% loser, but everything else was a winner. Winners, one loser for 2019, 2018, a loser there, but everything else was a winner. So this attracted my attention. The only thing which I didn't like was the fact that it's using this broker, which I've never heard of, but everything else looks pretty cool. So I actually managed to get hold of this train robot and I put it onto my own account. And I just want to show you what happened to it. And this is it. Trading Time Investments. It runs the euro dollar 5-minute time frame. Yeah, Smart Machine 3.4. Put in $1,000, and as you can see, it's running on 0.01 lot. It is a grid trading robot. You see, it's making profit, and profit loss 56 pounds, but it says less because it's taken such small amounts that the commission has eaten up literally more than half of the profit. And the other thing which I wanted to show you is this is just obviously the past results. You see my last trade, winning trade, was the 20th of March. It is now the 9th of May. And you might think, oh, what's happening? Why hasn't it traded? Well, it has traded, but it's currently in a massive drawdown since that date. I mean, minus 341, so it's way eaten into my profit. I'm around 30% down on the account. It's still running, so I'll show you what has happened. If I go to the daily where the trading robot isn't installed, but you can see exactly what's happened. So here around this date, it should have been the 20th, it's sold. No, sorry, it would have been, the first one would have been down here somewhere, or here. So it would have been the 20th of, well, after the 22nd of March. So that's probably around, yeah, around here. And it sold. And it kept on selling. And the thing with the train robot is that there is you can set the limit. So if you go into the settings, you can set it so how many grids. So maximum orders 18, so it means 18 sales or 18 buys. But you can change this, and maybe if I did change it, it would have made a difference. Maybe I would have got out of it already by now. But it basically kept selling, and it's had over 18 sales now, and currently up here it's not selling anymore. But I need this to go all the way down to here before I can make a profit. And right now, you can see that when it's been opened, actually, let's go back to the first trade. So the first trade was open on the 20th of March. And you see every 5 minutes it was opening, 5-10 minutes it was opening trades until it had 18, and it had not had any trades since. So everything's in negative because everything is above this line. All my sales are here. Yeah, so it needs to come down. It just shows how dangerous this type of trading robot is. It's been, like I said, the last trade 22nd of March, and it's now 9th of May. So I'd say a month and a half. I've clocked up some nice swap, but it doesn't offset the loss that I'm currently in. And this is the danger of using this type of trading robot. If you've got loads of funds and you've got you let it open an unlimited amount of trays, which obviously then is more dangerous, then you can keep going. But I really need this now to go all the way down to the bottom to close out. And to be honest, once it's done that, I'm taking this trading robot off. It's far too dangerous, and yeah, it's if I manage to get out of this one, great. But if not, if I do continue even after I've closed out, it will happen again. So yeah, not a great trading robot, and not a great result so far. So let's see how this goes.